Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money to Nepal using the Paysend app step by step. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the link from the description below to create your account, and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First things first, download and install the Paysend app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and once it's installed, you want to open the app and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Then on the transfers page, this is where you can actually request and send money. But please keep in mind, if you can't find the send button in your Paysend app, it means that sending transfers is not yet available in your country. It's not showing on mine, so it's not available yet. But here's how it looks like. So from here, you want to tap send money and choose send to someone else. Then from here, you want to enter the recipient's country. In this case, you want to choose Nepal and select the receiving currency as Nepali rupees. Then here you want to choose how your recipient will receive the money. So it could be through a bank account, a card account, or even a mobile wallet. And after that, you want to enter your recipient's details, including their full name, email address, payment information, and the amount. And once everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. Paysend will securely process your transaction, and depending on the recipient's bank or payment service, the money should arrive shortly. That's it. You've now successfully sent money to Nepal using Paysend. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.